Alright, I got my setup here for my gas engine. I have it hooked on with one of those big rock climbing hooks right there. I got a 3-foot tie-on tubing with a metal clunker on the end of this in there. This is not very safe, but that's how I have it attached right there. I finally got my Quatra engine to run by hand start. I only used that the first time, and then I shut it off and let it cool off, so just pretend you don't see that it started right there. So anyway, I'm going to start it up for you again and show you. Here we go. I figured out that I was doing it soft. I have to do it with all my strength and as hard as I can when I crank it over. You can hear it trying to start. Could do this all day.
Where's the rest of the plane?
Huh?
Where's the rest of the plane?
I don't have one yet for you.
You got to go one though?
Yeah. This isn't the chainsaw one. The chainsaw one, I think something with the piston. I think the ring broke off it.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't get it working.
Where'd you get this one?
I got it from a club member at the club for $40. The prop's too small on it, but at least I got it to run.